Marine plastic pollution has impacted at least 267 species worldwide, including 43% of all marine animals. By 2050, the oceans will contain more plastic than fish by weight. On the ocean surface, plastic pieces outnumber plankton 6 to 1.
I am a fisherman, and I live in Nadi, and I fish to supply food and money for my family. But the plastic has been polluting our oceans so much that I barely get any fish anymore. And when I do, they are highly poisonous.
Since 1950, our use of plastic has grown exponentially, and every year almost 29 million tons of plastic are wasted in the landfill and not recycled every year. Right now, hundreds of millions of tons of plastic are sitting in the ocean, just waiting for some fish to eat them.
Did you know that most people do not recycle plastic because it takes too much work? And when it gets to the landfill, there are no people there to sort it out. And plastic sits in those landfills for thousands of years, just wasting space, and they need to be recycled.
Over the past 50 years, hundreds of millions of tons of plastic has been deposited into the ocean. This has caused an island made of garbage to form in the middle of the Pacific. It is known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. And in the south of the Pacific, there's a slightly smaller garbage patch off the coast of South America. It's called the South Pacific Garbage Patch. Every year, millions of animals die near these formations due to their...
This is what happens when animals are exposed to plastic in our oceans for too long.
To solve this plastic issue, people need to start recycling every day. And also at landfills, there needs to be better plastic sorting for those people who decide not to recycle.
Our solution is to make plastic biodegradable. Making plastic biodegradable will be revolutionary to mankind, because we can use plastic all the time and not be worried about global warming anymore.
If we don't find a way about how to control our throwing away plastic, who knows what will happen in the next 50 years to our ecosystem and the animals that live in it. I'm Michael.
And I'm Connor. And we approve this message.